Hello, thanks for joining us to learn more about Nebraska 4-H. For those of you who are new to us, we hope that we can teach you some things and help you become involved in the 4-H effort. For those of you who are part of us already, we hope that you can see some new things and get some new ideas about how you might be involved. 4-H is a part of a nationwide effort that involves nearly 6 million young people across the country, with 25 million alumni, and the numbers are growing. We have 600,000 youth and adult volunteers and serve urban, suburban, and rural communities. We have 900 clubs on military installations, and we're a part of the land grant system across the world. It's an exciting time to be in 4-H, which is the nation's largest youth-serving organization. Nebraska 4-H reflects our state. We're half female and half male, and 16% of minority families are part of Nebraska 4-H. There are a variety of ways you can be involved in 4-H. Maybe you're interested in science, technology, engineering, and math. Maybe you want to learn to program a robot, learn to care for your pet, or maybe you want to discover what frogs eat. We also do work in healthy lifestyles. If it's making a healthy snack or playing and exercising to make a better you, those are all the kinds of things you can learn in 4-H. Maybe it's finding a new sport. Community development is a big piece of what we do, and a part of that is our volunteer network. We could not be successful in Nebraska 4-H without the engagement of nearly 13,000 youth and adult volunteers. Leadership is one of our prime focus areas in the 4-H program. Maybe it's giving presentations, maybe it's serving on decision-making groups. You can learn about college and career readiness in your 4-H program. If it's finding a career opportunity or developing the skill that you need to get into college and higher education. You can also learn where your food comes from in Nebraska 4-H or become an entrepreneur. 4-H offers a variety of different delivery methods. You might be thinking about an after-school program, or you might be engaged in one of our 4-H camps. School enrichment is a piece of our offering, as are 4-H clubs. The choices are endless. To become engaged in the 4-H program, visit your local extension office or check us out on the website. We hope that you can join us in making the best better.